What it do, YouTube? Your boy Eyes and Ears Tactical. As you can see, I'm at the range. Let me turn this around. How do you turn this around? Okay, I'm at the range. This is what I got going today. We got the Maverick 88. And we got the Mossberg 590S. I'm gonna do some testing. Start off with the Maverick 88 at 9 feet and use some double odd buck. Got a box of Rio right here. I got some minis. I was gonna run that gun, see how it goes, and shoot the 590S with the new stock on there too also. So y'all stand by. We'll be right back. Peace. Okay, guys, I'm back. I got it loaded up with 2 shells of the double odd buck Rio. We got that out at 9 feet, and we're gonna let off and see how it goes, and then let's see what the damage looks like afterwards. All right, so safety off. Got one loaded. First shot from the Mossberg 88, going dead center. Ooh, yes. Let's go for a headshot. I have one more up in there. Let's go ahead and shoot one more. No, we just hold off for a second. Safety on. Safety on. Let's take a look at the target. All right, there you go. 2 shots. And that's at 9 feet. So there's a headshot. You got to hold low on these. I imagine you got to hold low. 9 feet and one right there. So we'll be right back. Get a couple more shots in. Stand by for more footage. Okay, I'm out to 15 feet. That's not really ideal home defense, but I just want to see what the spread looks like. Same target, but we'll be able to distinguish. And I know this light is holding on pretty strong. I was just trying to test it. But here we go. Let's go ahead and going dead center, 15 feet. Try to hold low. Oh, safety's on. I hate that crossbow safety. I don't like that. I like the tang safety better. See here. Nice. Go for a headshot. All right. All the attachments are holding up. Carrier home. There we go. That's at 15 feet. A little bit more spread. There's the second shot right there. Second shot right there. Yeah. Maverick 88, man, looking pretty good so far. Stand by. Okay, I'm back now. So what we're going to do is get the 590S. Same distance. We're going to run the 590S and see what it looks like. And then we'll back it up to 15 feet. And let you guys know how that feels, how that stock feels with shooting it. But yeah, 590S. We'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Got it loaded up. Got 2 double odd bucks loaded up in here, and we got it at 9 feet. We'll see how it goes with the new stock. Safety off. My first shot with the Magpul stock. Go for a headshot. Nice. Safety on. Here we go. 9 feet. That's the Mossberg 590S. There's the first one. There's the second one. All right, we'll push out at 15 feet. Shotgun is very devastating, man. That's why it's great home defense. Stand by. Okay, I'm back. I got the bell on. Got it at 15, and we're gonna see what I do. See if this dot is dialed in. If I can get on target. Safety off. Oh yeah, it's dialed in. Safety on. Yeah, it's dialed in. It definitely hit. It hit where I pointed it at. Yeah, buddy. That's at 15 feet. First shot. Blew his whole. That probably cracked his spine right there. Savage. CT electric. There's the second shot. Whole brain all Woo. Devastation. I'm telling you, man, 12 gauge shotguns, pump shotguns, will never fail. Hey, man, I'm going to shoot a little bit. I'm going to bring another video up when I shoot the 88 and so a couple shots. Back five. They hold 5. I'm going to do that for a function. When I come back with like, comment, subscribe. Yes, with the dot, man. It's pretty clean, man. Matter of fact, let me just do another shot with that, just to show y'all. I got one shot. Safety off. Put that up. Go for the chest. That one went right through. Safety on. I think I shot through the same hole. It went right through. It went right through. All right, man, stand by. Okay, I'm back. I don't know if y'all noticed, I put that front fiber post right there. I don't know if I can see it. I put it on there. Yeah, right there. You can see it. Ain't nothing falling off yet, so I'm gonna load this up with full capacity. Holds 5, so I'm gonna put 5 in here. Let me see, I get a good angle. Yeah, I'm gonna put 5 up in here, and we're just gonna run it. See how it does. Now I don't have that adapter thing up in here because I wanted to run it factory first, and then put the adapter that you could run all shells without taking it out. But you got to put the follow up in there. Someone told me they put red light on that 19 tube. You might have a blowtorch shit. I heard. I don't know. But all right, Maverick 88. Safety off. And we're at 9 feet. I'm gonna try to just let them off gracefully. That's it. A couple of the shells fell off that shell carrier. Safety on. Take a look. There we go. So you get the idea. One on there, one there. You get the idea. That's complete devastation to cell tissue. Yeah, man. I'm gonna keep shooting, man. But hey, man, if you're watching this video, I mean, you might want to think about getting a shotgun. And I mean, you ain't gonna beat this post-range home defense. And that Maverick 88, it's running, man. So, like, comment, subscribe. Hey, I appreciate everybody who's been supporting the channel, man. Stay blessed. Peace. Woo, that's devastating. Okay, I'm back. It's gonna be my last round. I pushed it out to 25 feet. Let me put, yeah. Now it's at 25. Just move it back. It was at 21. I'm gonna run the Mossberg 590S, and I got a mixture of double buck Rio and the Gia meat shells. I've got a mixture up in there, so I'm just gonna run this and let's see how it looks. You're gonna keep the camera rolling. If I can do this, stand by. 1 second. Okay, guys, I'm back. We're gonna run this. And remember, this is not. If anybody watching this, first of all, YouTube, I'm in a safe control licensed gun range. And anybody watching this is not preferable self-defense situation unless you actually have someone at this distance shooting at you. Then it is self-defense. But more than likely, you want to be 9 feet. But if they are armed and trying to take your life, unalive you, then you can go ahead and shoot at any distance. So let's go safety off. And we're at 25 feet. Here, I'm just going to shoot him and then I'll show you it. That's a mini. That was a buck. That was a buck. Mini. Mini. That's it. Woo! Got that baby smoking. Nice. Ran them all. Carrier home. Woo! That Mossberg is something else, boy. Badass shotgun. So one was a little off, 25 feet. You see that was a little off. Some there. Got a lot of them through there, a lot of them through there. Minis was just peppering it a little bit. But yeah, pretty fun day at the range, man. Hey, shooting shotguns is the way to go, man. Again, man, get you a shotgun, Maverick 590, whatever you get, man, you're gonna be happy, man. It's pretty fun, man. Hey, everybody stay blessed. Peace.